Let's go, everyone! Today, super excited to be unboxing these official Levoit replacement filters. So these are replacement filters for one of my favorite air purifiers I have in at my place. This is the model it's compatible with. Right here, 200S-P. Alright, let me show you the back. It has instructions on how to replace it. Smart that they transitioned to this cardboard packaging. It's nice to recycle these, and it's easy. Easy to recycle, easy to open. They have instructions printed on the back, so no special documentation, and just a really nice minimalist package. Yeah, that's it. I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can order these from, and let me know what you think of this air purifier and these filters in the comment section below. Alright everyone, hope you're all doing well. Take care. See you for the next unboxing video. Later.